Okay, so question 10. M is an integer such that -2 is less than m, which in turn is less than or equal to 3. We're asked to write down all the possible values of m. Now, in order to access a question like this, one of the first things we need to know is what is an integer? Well, integers are positive or negative whole numbers. It's got to be a whole number and it's either positive or negative. So what values could m be if -2 or -2 is less than m, which in turn is less than or equal to 3? If -2 is less than m, so if -2 is less than m, that suggests then that m must be bigger than -2. So m's got to be bigger than -2, bigger than -2, but also it's got to be less than or equal to 3. M is less than or equal to 3. So what numbers could it be? Bigger than -2, bigger than -2. It could be -1, 0, 1, 2, and less than or equal to 3. So up as far as 3. So it could take all these different values. Next part, we're asked to solve 7x take away 9 is less than 3x plus 4. And this question is done much in the same way that you would do something like this. If you were asked to do 7x take away 9, which is less than 3, not less than, what am I saying? 7x take away 9 is equal to 3x plus 4. You do the exact same idea. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take 3x off both sides. So subtracting 3x from the left hand side, we get 4x take away 9 must be less than, and I'm taking 3x off this side as well. So we're just left with 4. So we took away 3x from both sides. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So let's add 9 to both sides. So adding 9 to both sides, we get 4x must be less than 13. And then finally we're going to divide both sides by 4. So you get x must be less than 13 over 4. You could leave your answer like that. Let's go one step further. X is less than, how many times does 4 fit into 13? It goes in 3 times and there's one remainder. So 3 1/4. And that's the solution to that. X must be less than 3 1/4.